Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, May 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I still suspect that this is likely the end of an ABC correction on the 4-hour daily time frame. If that is the end of a correction, then this potentially should now be making lower lows, lower highs. We should potentially be in an impulsive downtrend because all the higher time frames like daily, weekly, and monthly are telling us that the downtrend potentially is not over. So three-way pullbacks, ABC corrections, most likely continuation of the downtrend. So going right down to the 1 hour time frame, it kind of looks like a nice five-way pattern now. So we might end up getting a little bit of a pullback, but if it's doing what a lot of the other dollar pairs are doing, this actually may end up being just like an ABC, even though it doesn't look like an ABC, and then it will just end up pushing down from there. So if it does push up, it might just make like one wave up back towards these highs, and then it might just end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. Because, like I said, if this really is the end of an ABC correction up here, then this potentially should be in an impulsive downtrend on like the 4 hour time frame, which means on like the 1 hour time frame and below, we definitely want to primarily focus on shorts at the end of pullbacks. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.